Here we are again for Shotgun Sunday. We're going to shoot some purple stuff. It's actually purple squinchers. So let's just go ahead and shoot it. The gun I will be using is an Ithaca 16 gauge. We don't really make many 16 gauges anymore. It's kind of hard to find ammo for it, but it's a good gun. It's good for birds and such and small animals, but we're going to shoot a bottle of water with squinchers in it. So anyway, I'll load it and we'll shoot this this bottle here. Here we go. Keep loading, 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 loading. There we go. Safety on. Safety first, kids. Alrighty, kids, here we go. Headphones on first.